In the tech-driven world we're living in, KiwiQA stands at the vanguard of innovation, harnessing the power of TestSigma's AI-driven test automation to redefine the landscape of software testing for businesses across Australia. Our symbiotic partnership with TestSigma enables us to offer test automation with an efficiency, accuracy, and coverage that is simply unparalleled, ensuring our clients carve a unique niche for themselves in the digital expanse. Why choose the KiwiQA and TestSigma alliance, you might ask? Well, it's about embracing AI-driven excellence. With us, you get to leverage state-of-the-art AI technology for smarter, faster, and more effective test automation. And it's not just about global tech trends. We have a laser-sharp focus on meeting the unique needs of Australian businesses, understanding the local market dynamics and challenges like no other. It's about quality at speed. We help you accelerate your time to market without ever making a compromise on quality. And above all, it's about our commitment. We're dedicated to providing innovative, efficient solutions that drive your success. We've already begun transforming testing processes for a plethora of Australian companies, catapulting them to new heights of quality and efficiency. Our call to action is simple. Innovate together. KiwiQA welcomes you to develop a proof of concept with your existing system. Feel the transformative impact of AI-driven test automation tailored to your unique needs firsthand. Don't let your business get left behind. Click here to embark on your journey towards automated excellence with KiwiQA and TestSigma. The future of test automation awaits you. Seize it today.